It's still pairing. Let's take a look here. You can see the 3 cameras up there.
I don't know why they don't make it the same width.
Oh yeah, why they don't make it line up together. It's kind of weird. Yeah, that's just how they always do that. I don't know why it doesn't line up the glass evenly on both sides. It's just like that. One is smaller. Maybe a little bit less glass for this huge. No, it's not misaligned. It's not. It's like that. Up there is always, maybe this glass is too big. They want to make it a little smaller so it's cheaper. I don't know.
Make the bottom one a little bit narrower than
Yeah.
the same.
Yeah, I don't know why. That's kind of weird. I don't know why they didn't make it the same size. So you see on this side, same thing.
Even here, right?
That's just the design. So I think it's still pairing. We'll see how it goes. Let's see if we can open this. You can see there's the camera there, camera here. So no matter where you are around the car, you'll kind of be seen. There's the camera down there. Oh, there's the dual motor option here. And yeah, let me see if I can open the car now or if it's still pairing. Nope, still pairing. Oh, I should have checked I should have checked each handle. Good. Okay, let's check the other ones.
Even not my car, see what you
Even not my car. Okay, watch out, watch out.
Yes.
I need to. Okay. Okay, handles seem good. All right. So, okay, I need to get out of the way. They're taking pictures with my car. All right, it's still not paired. Let me check the app again.